Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Info Welfare. Let's in this video tutorial how to make a completely private of your Facebook account. If you intended to have the total restriction that no one should visit of your Facebook account, and whatever you are posting in a future, any photos, any videos that shouldn't be visible to anyone except you, means you are going to have the totally private of your Facebook account. So simply just you have to go in a sign in of your Facebook account and you have to click here, and I have to come in a setting. In setting guys, I have to come in privacy. So this is privacy. Here just I have to check your activity. So this is your activity. Here simply see guys, who can see your future post, means simply only me. So if I go for only, so just I will come on more to only me. So guys, here now it's a completely private. Otherwise, if you would like to keep as a your friend whatever you are posting, any content on a Facebook, whatever at the present time, whomsoever the friend they are of your friend on the Facebook account, whatever you are posting, nonetheless they can visit, they can watch, they can see of your any content that you're posting in a future. So just I will go for friends, but completely private if you would like to have of your Facebook account, so simply just you have to go for only me. This is. Otherwise guys, here if you would like to have the totally public of your Facebook account, then of course you have to select here, then you have to go for close it. See guys, here second options, how people can find you, how they will question you, and how they will interact with you. So guys, here see everyone, so you can select according to your desire. So you can go for everyone, just you can go for only friend or friend. So according to your choice and crystallization, of course you can choose here, but this is a very important, your activity guys. So just I will go for once again in a setting to privacy, and here just I have to see here second option, who can see your friend list. So publicly, that's fine. If you would like to have the totally private, of course you can have, just here is option according to your crystallization, of course you can choose, but this is only public as well as private. So this one is very necessity to keep a private, yet to make a private of your Facebook account as well as public of your Facebook account. Last option, if you see here, do you want search engine outside of the Facebook to link to your friends? So just you have to go for yes, that's all. So this is important guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive, that's how you will keep completely private of your Facebook account. Yeah, according to your personalization, if you would like to, for the time being you would like to have the private of your Facebook account, and then you would like to go for publication. So no problem, according to your requirement you can go ahead. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If this video has informed you in any way to enhance your knowledge, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also leave the comment below the comment box as a feedback, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose guys. So thank you very much, have a great time.